Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to show you how to convert meters to centimeters. This conversion is super helpful in many situations, like measuring for a craft project, understanding dimensions for a new appliance, or just dealing with metric measurements. First off, let's understand the units. A meter is a basic unit of length in the metric system, commonly used around the world. A centimeter, which is also part of the metric system, is much smaller. Here's the straightforward part. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So, when you want to convert meters to centimeters, you just multiply the number of meters by 100. For instance, if you have a table that's 1.5 meters long and you want to know its length in centimeters, you multiply 1.5 meters by 100. This gives you 150 centimeters. Another example, say you're looking at a piece of fabric that is 2 meters long. To find out how many centimeters it is, you simply do 2 meters times 100, which equals 200 centimeters. And that's all there is to it. Just remember, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. With this easy conversion, you can quickly switch between meters and centimeters, making sure all your measurements are accurate and fitting for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And for more simple conversion guides and math tips, make sure to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.